Yo, what's going on, everyone? CYAN is officially live, so I just wanted to scratch the surface, so let's get into it. So if you go to getBasedAI, at the very top where it says View Explorer, you can see all the transactions in blocks here, and you can see also kind of charts and how the testnet is performing. So if you have a basic coding background, you could actually start and launch this contract by clicking the blue button here. It's going to ask you to sign in with a MetaMask wallet. It'll tell you the code and everything, how to add a network in your MetaMask wallet, and then you can start making smart contracts. Now, I'm very new to LLMs and all this language and all that. So one of the clients I work with in my real job has led me to this website, deeplearning.ai. And this is pretty cool. It actually is a free platform. It tells you all about LLMs. So if you're completely new in this field, this is a great place to start. It's basically a bunch of free videos that teach you about AI and how it works. They break it down so basic and clean, like you create a prompt, you have a model, and then there's a completion with the answers. So let's go to BasedAI Ecosystem. A lot of this was over my head, so I threw a lot of this in ChatGPT. So we're going to just scroll through it and see if there's anything interesting here. But BasedAI is a special kind of computer network that uses blockchain technology to keep data safe and private, especially for AI applications. It believes that keeping our data private should be a basic right and not just an extra feature. You own your own prompts instead of handing them over to big companies like Google and Facebook, etc. So they talk about fully homomorphic encryption here. What are brains? Brains are like powerful helpers in the BasedAI network. They handle big complex tasks that AI needs to do. These tasks are spread out across many brains so everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Goal of BasedAI: BasedAI wants to make AI safer by enhancing data security, ensuring privacy through its decentralized system, using innovative encryption methods like FHE. So in summary, BasedAI is all about protecting your data while using advanced AI technologies, making sure your information stays private every step of the way. So we kind of already knew that stuff, but let's go into this next page, which I thought was pretty cool. The role of based CLI. So based CLIs are command line interface. So pretty much this, to me, sounds like you download something on your computer and it takes about 10 gigabytes or something. Let's go ahead and copy this and throw it into ChatGPT here. It's basically a tool that lets users interact with BasedAI network. It's like a remote control for BasedAI systems, allowing you to do many different tasks. So what can you do with Based CLI? Manage your wallet, check how much money balance you have, handle your digital assets, interact with brains. Brains are the powerful computers in the network. Use commands to connect and work with these brains. Participate in networks. Help keep the network secure. If you're a miner or validator, you can use Based CLI to do your work. Manage computational nodes. If you own a brain, you can control and monitor it using Based CLI. This helps you improve the network's processing power. Who can use Based CLI? Beginners. It's made easy to understand, or advanced users. It connects users to the BasedAI advanced features, making it easy for everyone to use the system effectively. Now the purpose here of CYAN Testnet is to test how brain NFTs, digital items, and their tokens work. In summary, the Based CLI is a powerful and versatile tool that helps users of all skill levels interact with BasedAI network, managing their wallets, work with brains, and participate in operations. So Based CLI seems like a pretty cool program that is basically the interface of the network where you can oversee everything and check information and see what brains are the most active. They did say something about like a brain store and stuff like that. So basically, I'm not going to go over all this yet. I'm just playing around with it, but just showing you how I'm going through some of the stuff because it is very complicated. So I'm using ChatGPT to just kind of break it down. So if you're looking for more information on brains and you're deciding whether or not you should get one, you should definitely get into the Telegram. There's lots of people asking questions, really lots of good answers as well. This is all speculation, but there's a lot of smart people here. So we are all looking for gigabrains. That's a brain working hard. We do not want a smooth brain, which is a brain not producing much. In that based CLI, they're going to be rating the brains and how much each brain is putting out. And yes, you can sit on a brain and not do any work. That's your smooth brain. That's the minimal rewards. But why do that when you can probably make more just holding PepeCoin, or get into pooling and share a gigabrain that's producing much more? This is a business. I mean, brains are going to be competitive. So we don't want smooth brains not producing anything. That doesn't help the ecosystem. More powerful brains are going to be making millionaires. As we know, brains start out at only 1,000 PepeCoins, start to increase in price as they go up. So the first maybe 50 brains are going to be on high demand, and if you can get your hands on one, that would be amazing. So guys, this is an exciting time, so I'm glad you guys are all here with me along for the ride.